My name is Tanja Freudenberg-Hansen. My husband, Thomas Freudenberg, and I run Nibeler Bakery, now in its fourth generation here in North Frisia, Germany. Our 12 shops are spread out within a 50-kilometer radius, and 200 employees help us with our work every day. An investment in the oven sector was on our agenda, and we already have a good working relationship with Miva through their shop ovens. We also had a sales representative who regularly visited us, and he quickly invited us to Arnstein, Germany to get a first-hand impression of what's currently available on the market and what might be suitable for our needs.
From our perspective, we approached this holistically and also introduced new topics such as loading technology and work simplification. We also brought in the subject of thermal oil rack ovens. Our goal was to achieve work in lines, optimal operations, and to plan the entire system so that the employees would have as few sources of error as possible. We had to completely revise the entire refrigeration concept just because of the movement paths. We didn't want to make any compromises. On the way to Miva in Arnstein, Germany, I told my wife that we only wanted to look at the ovens and do a test bake. But once we got there, we liked everything so much that we were convinced to get everything from one source.
And the overall concept just really blew us away at that moment. We found all the results great, and besides the ovens, we also looked at the refrigeration technology. Together with the Miva employees, we developed a fantastic overall concept, and we are totally happy with it.
We've received completely new refrigeration units, including GVAs and a large freezer. And then we have a deck oven, the Miva Ideal, with a loader, the Miva Sherpa, and 2 thermostatic thermal oil ovens and 4 roll-in rack ovens. We've been baking with thermal oil for a few months now. For me, this was absolutely new territory. But I must say the baking results are so incredibly consistent, I never would have expected that. The simplicity of loading and then baking. We were able to reorganize our entire operational process because the ovens heated up again so quickly.
We now have significantly more cooling space available thanks to the new cooling systems and fermentation machines. Of course, we now have more automated processes. We can prepare even more bread today for tomorrow. It is indeed a noticeable relief. And because we now have more cooling space available, we can also start later in the night. That was, of course, fundamentally our goal, to create more attractive working hours.
We have fulfilled the greatest wish of Mr. Freudenberg. As a baker, he wants to stand at the loader and look out over his dough-making area. And he would also love to see the shipping, the pastry shop, and the snack department. So we made suggestions and asked, can you imagine us swapping some positions? Regarding ovens, regarding the cold. We challenged all of that in terms of a holistic plan with short routes and optimal workflows. And all of that, of course, energetically optimized. And we managed to achieve that. If I had known it baked this well, I would have definitely bought another one. But that's the experience you eventually gain. With the modernization and the new technology from Miva, my parents have laid a really solid foundation for my sister and me for the future.
The final outcome is absolutely fantastic, and we are completely satisfied with it. We're truly glad we decided to take this step. We always felt very well looked after and supported. You really need to have a good feeling to bring things to a successful close.